Hello, my beloved friends. You're super welcome back to my channel, T Elegant Natural Beauty and Fabulosity channel. If you're new, you're welcome, and if you're old, you are super welcome. Have you subscribed to this channel? If not, what are you waiting for? Please check below and hit on the subscribe button and subscribe to this channel and join this amazing family. And also turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the first to get notified anytime I upload a new video. Share your thoughts and let me know how this simple homemade remedy worked for you. I'm going to be sharing with you how to clean white coated tongue. Most times when the tongue is dirty, it becomes a breeding ground for bacteria. Alright guys, so I'm going to show you how to clean your tongue, and this will also help clear bad breath. White coated tongue is also related to a whole lot of health issues that I'm also going to be sharing with you in the course of this video. So do not rush. Make sure you watch this video to the very end, as I am going to be sharing with you vital informations on why or possible reasons why you have a white coated tongue and how to get rid of it. Alright guys, so let's jump right into this video. One of the many baking soda and lemon uses is in its ability to exfoliate the tongue, removing many residue that causes white tongue and maintain good pH levels in mouth by neutralizing acids. Research shows that baking soda or sodium bicarbonate possesses substantial inhibitory Streptococcus mutans in saliva and plaque. So guys, the next thing I'm gonna be preparing is a mouth rinse. Rinsing your mouth with baking soda may help treat oral thrush. In a 2009 study, researchers looked at the effectiveness of sodium bicarbonate as a disinfectant of Candida albicans adhered to acrylic. The test was meant to stimulate the daily disinfecting of dentures. Researchers concluded that although not the most effective form of disinfectant, but baking soda was a viable alternative. Exposure to baking soda caused statistically significant decreases in the number of white tongue that may be caused by the following factors: dehydration, poor oral hygiene, dry mouth, fever, reaction to certain medications including antibiotics and steroids, candida, yeast infection, oral thrush, smoking or tobacco use. White tongue may also be due to bacterial infections such as syphilis, periodontal disease, or a chronic autoimmune disorder. Sometimes white tongue that cannot be scraped off and doesn't go away after using antifungal treatment is the result of a more serious condition which will require medical attention.
Alright, my beautiful people, hope you enjoyed the video. Hope the video was helpful. Please, if this video was helpful, consider subscribing. See you on my next video. Stay beautiful. Bye.